Hi, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. And today I'm going to talk to you about Medicaid trusts. Now, as always, if you want to talk estate planning, you can contact me at www.njestateattorney.com. So this topic came up kind of interesting, actually. I had a very good friend of mine who works as a financial planner contact me, and he goes, David, I'm struggling. People that I work with struggle to understand the importance of Medicaid trusts. So would you be able to discuss them a little bit further and make them easier for people to understand? So basically what a Medicaid trust is it's an irrevocable trust. Now, this doesn't mean once it's created, it can't be destroyed. There are just a lot of steps that need to go through it. The person who creates the trust needs to go to the beneficiaries and say, "Hey, I want to destroy this trust," and the beneficiaries have to agree to it. But why a Medicaid trust? So most Americans today are living past the age of 65, and what happens is most of these people, actually, I believe the percentage is about 70 to 75% of Americans will live past the age of 65 and need long-term care. Long-term care would be a long-term care facility or a nursing home. Now, we all know the horrors of this is that people go into nursing homes and they are basically poor within 1 year. And what happens is the nursing homes go in and Medicaid goes in and they take everything from you. This could be your real property. This could be your savings accounts, your 401ks. They basically take everything until you're impoverished. You're really only allowed to have $2,000 to your name. And the other reason Medicaid trusts are so important is Medicaid, when you go into a nursing home, has a 5-year look-back period. And this look-back period basically goes and they look at all your assets and they say, wait, hold on, you were planning for this. You made all these gifts or devises. You set all that you just distributed money out to avoid us. So you're going to be penalized. We want you to avoid all that. So in a Medicaid trust, basically what you're doing is you're the trustee. You've created the trust. You are the trustee. You are the beneficiary. Basically, what we're doing is we're taking this protective box and we're protecting all your assets from Medicaid and the nursing home. What we're doing is we're putting your real estate, we're putting everything into this property, into this solid box. And you can receive the income annually, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. You get to set the terms about how you get paid out from the trust. You can change your trustee at any time. So if you feel like, hey, I don't want to be the trustee anymore, you can nominate somebody else. You could change the beneficiaries. So basically, the big issue people see is, I'm still healthy. What do I need this for? Well, this is a key here. We really need to protect you from losing everything. And basically, what this will do is it allows the trust to control everything and nothing is in your name anymore. So when Medicaid comes or the nursing home comes and tries to collect, well, you technically own nothing. The trust owns it. And there are a lot of perks to establishing this kind of a trust. You're protected, so you're never really indigent. You're not impoverished. And what happens is this protects you from the probate process, because you're naming other beneficiaries. So upon your death, this trust will continue. And yes, you're avoiding creditors because they can't get to this because, hey, I own nothing. This box or organization basically just pays me what it generates or what, if it can pay me. This is kind of going to be a little bit longer couple videos. This is just part 1. But Medicaid trusts are very important. And the sooner we set those up for people, the better. My recommendation is I would say around the age of 55, 60 is when I, as an estate planning attorney, recommend to my clients to go create these. Because we never know. Long-term care insurance is so expensive in this world. And I'm speaking from firsthand knowledge. My mom is on it, and it's a fortune. I don't know, but I know it's a couple $1,000s, actually several $1,000s a year, but that's beside the point. So we want you to avoid those costs. We want you to avoid losing everything to Medicaid and the nursing home, and we don't want you to be impoverished. We also want to protect your family, because if you go into a nursing home and you don't have this, your family gets nothing. So this is just part one of probably a 2 or 3, potentially 4-part series on Medicaid trusts. So my name's David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law in the great state of New Jersey. As always, if you want to talk estate planning with me, you can contact me at njestateattorney.com. As you know, I love to talk estate planning, and I don't like to shut up much about it. So have a great day.